But the room never got the message. Cigarette ghost still dance in the amber glow. Your lipstick stain on a glass I'll never throw. Midnight TV bleeding violet snow. Static whisper secrets you'll never know. The roses died, but the thorns stayed sharp. 8 months of sirens bleeding in the dark. Cobwebs dancing in the static trauma. Like this room still won't let go of karma. Your shadow lingers by the bedroom door, wearing the coat you left on the floor. Ashtray full of phantom kisses cold. Dust on your final letter turning into mold. Every fingerprint, every faded bruise still carries the scent of acid rain in you. Same scratch record spinning round and round. Same dead neon lights flickering down. Your perfume crawls through the ventilation like it's still hunting for its destination. Lost inside this apartment glow, haunted by the stereo. Your voice keeps cutting through the walls like broken angels in the rain that falls. Falling through the VHS snow. Every channel screams, don't let her go. Heaven burned into violet smoke, trapped inside this dead radio. Vhs rain across the empty boulevard. Motel signs flickering, vacancy forgot. Taxi headlights drowning in purple flood. Your name still glowing on the dashboard dust. 3 a.m. convenience store fluorescent glare. Your favorite drink still rotting on the shelf. Every mirror cracks in different lies, all desperately trying to forget your eyes. Same cracked skyline, same disease, same cold wind carrying your memories. I still hear you in the power lines, screaming through the city's dying cries. Lost inside this apartment glow, chasing ghosts on stereo. Your fingerprints still burn the glass, memories that refuse to pass. Falling through the violet snow, every heartbeat moving way too slow. All I haven't turned is light inside this dead radio. Cigarette harrows under bleeding signs, empty saints and checkout line. The vending machine hums our old song like the night itself forgot you're gone. Lonely gods inside arcade escape, chrome reflections drowning in their faith. We were just 2 addicts of the neon light, drowning slowly in artificial paradise. Take your name is all that static. Red light, red sky, no fate, no goodbye. I'll burn the tape, but I can't erase the way you felt. Every memory is this, every sinner warps. I still hear you in the fucking night. Lost inside this apartment glow, watching heaven overload. Your voice is tearing through my soul like dying fireworks I can't let go. Falling through the violet snow, the whole damn city screams your name below. All I have in dark to smoke inside this last transmission. Vhs Rain, 8 months of sirens bleeding in the dark. Cobwebs dancing in the static trauma. Like this room still won't let go of karma. Your shadow lingers by the bedroom door, wearing the coat you left on the floor. Every fingerprint, every faded bruise still carries the scent of acid rain in you. Same scratch record spinning round and round. Same dead neon lights flickering down. Your perfume crawls through the ventilation like it's still hunting for its destination. Lost inside this apartment glow, watching heaven overload. Your voice is tearing through my soul like dying fireworks I can't let go. Falling through the violet snow, the whole damn city screams your name below. All I have in dark to smoke inside this last transmission. Neon haze, empty